Hello everyone and welcome back to DevPortal, your go-to channel for mastering tech concept. In our Linux tutorial series so far, we have learned that how we can view files using commands like cat, less, head and tail. Now let's take a one step further, and in our today's video, we are going to discuss that how we can search a keyword inside a file using a command which is grep command. This is a lifesaver command for you when you are working with logs, configuration files or even large datasets. So let's start our today's tutorial. So first let me tell you what is grep command. So grep command basically stands for global regular expression print. What does it will do? It will print out the lines where we are searching a particular keyword inside our file. Let me show you with the help of an example. Suppose first let me tell you I am in my tutorial directory, and here if I do ls you can see there are 4 files, and I am going to use either server.log file or app.log file. These two files I have a log file where I am going to search a particular keyword. So let's say I am using grep command and I want to search, let's suppose, error inside my server.log file. So what it will do, it will print out those lines where this error keyword is present. If I press enter, you can see it has printed out the complete line where that error keyword is present, and that keyword also it has marked it with red color. As you can see, it is present in two lines. One is this line and another one is this line. So this is how we can use the grep command. It will print out those lines where that particular keyword is present. Now let's say the keyword which we are searching, it will search that particular keyword only. If you want to make the search in case insensitive, this is case sensitive. If you want to make it case insensitive, in that case we can add one option which is -i. Then what it will do, it will search all the combination of error with that keyword in the file. So let's say if I write grep again and I am adding -i option so that the search will become case insensitive, and I will mention the same keyword again and I want to search inside server.log file only. Now we can compare the difference in the search. If I press enter, now you can see it has provided capital error as well and small error as well. So this is the use of -i option. It will be helpful if you're searching a particular keyword and you know that that keyword is present, but you're not sure that in which order it is present. Either it will be capital E then small ERROR, or it is all caps or all small. So in that case, we can use -i option. Now, by looking into this search, you know that these are the keywords are present in some particular line. If you want to print that line number as well, in that case, we have another option which is -n. Let me show you. What does -n will do? It will print out that line number where that keyword is present. So if I use the same command and if I mention in place of -i, if I change it to -n, it will print out that line number for me. If I press enter now, you can see it has printed 34 and 36. So small error is present at line number 34 in server.log file, and another error is present at line number 36. So this is also very helpful if you want to print or if you want to know that at what particular line that keyword is present. So till now I have shown you that how we can search a word inside a single file. Let's suppose if you want to search particular keyword in multiple files. In that case, what we can do? So same command if I execute, let's say if I mention -i again in place of n, and I want to search this in log file. So in that case, what I can do, I can add star, then dot, then log. So what does it mean? That it will search this error keyword with case insensitivity in all the files where the extension of file is .log. So if I press enter now, you can see it has searched the error, and error is searched in two order. One is caps and another one is smaller, which is present inside our files, and the files are two files, that is server.log file and another one it will be. Okay, so in that case only in one file this keyword is present. Let me search it with some other option. So first let me clear the screen here and let me use same command again, and this time what I will do, let me search. Let's suppose I am searching debug. If I try this, now we can see, you can see it here, debug keyword is present in app.log file as well, and debug keyword is present in server.log file as well. So this is how we can use star dot with extension so that it can search the same keyword in multiple files. Let's say if you want to search this with line number as well, so I can use the same command First, let me clear the terminal again, and if I use the same command with -i as well as an option, so it will print out the line number as well. So you can see this keyword is present in app.log file at line number 66, and this debug is present in server.log file at line number 31. So this is how we can combine multiple options with our grep command, and it will help us to find out the keyword where it is exactly present. Now let me tell you another use case. Let's suppose you want to search a keyword but in a directory. In that case, how we can do? So first let me clear the terminal again, and suppose I am using grep again, and this time let's suppose I want to search a keyword but I want to search it recursively. So in that case we have another option which is -r. So I am going to use -r option, which will tell grep that okay, this keyword we need to search recursively inside a directory. And the keyword, let's suppose I want to search, let's say, password. This password keyword is present in which all files it will tell, and let's say for this I need a directory. So let me go to my home directory first. This tilde symbol represent my home directory, and after my home directory I am going 2 steps backward, or you can say to parent directory, and then I want to search this inside a etc, which is another directory. So inside this etc directory, in all the files where password keyword is present, it will help me to search it recursively. If I press enter, you can see these are the number of files. You can see /home vbox, then /home vbox is my home directory, then it has go to the parent directory 2 times, and then etc. Inside etc, cloud.cloud.cfg is one file where that set_passwords is present, or you can say written. Same way, this is another file which is sudo.logs rvd.conf, where password is present as well as passwords is present, because we are searching a keyword, so it will search that particular keyword only. And there are multiple files where permission is not there, so for that it has print that permission denied error is coming. So this is how we can search a keyword inside a directory as well with the help of -r option, which will represent recursively searching a keyword. This is very helpful if you want to search a particular configuration inside a directory. Let's suppose you don't know that where that configuration is present, but you know which directory it is present. In that case, you can use this command. It is very helpful for you. So let me clear the terminal again. So this is all about grep command. Let me tell you a few more use cases as well. Let's suppose you want to search a keyword in the file, but the line should start with that particular keyword only, which means in the start or in the beginning of the line you want to search that keyword is present or not. In that case, what we need to do? So I will write grep, and what I will do, I will use this power symbol which is present at 6 number in your keyboard. So this symbol I need to use, and after that I need to mention that particular keyword. So this power symbol represent that I want to search a keyword which starts with, or you can say I want to search the line where that keyword starts with. So I will let's say 2025. This is the value which I want to search, and I want to search inside my server.log file. If I press enter, you can see it has printed all the lines, because I know that my logs will start with the date first. That's why I have written 2025. So this is one use case where I want to search the line where that particular keyword starts with. Now let's say you want to search a line where that particular keywords ends with. In that case, what we need to do? So in that case, what we can do, I need to mention the keyword, and after that I need to mention the dollar symbol. Let's suppose, let me pick this keyword. So I will write Z and then capital U, and I will add dollar symbol here. So let me add the dollar symbol, and once I press enter, it will print out all the lines where that particular line ends with small z and then capital U. So as you can see, now it has printed the line where the keyword is standing with, or the line is ending with ZU. This is the line. If you might be wondering that there are multiple lines where the line is ending with ZU, as you can see it here as well and here as well, but that not might be the case. That line is not ending with ZU. There will be some other words as well. Let's verify that as well. So what we can do, we can use less command here, and we can open the server.log file. So this is the file, and if I do search here as well, we can do search by using the backward this symbol as well, and if I write ZU, if I press enter, it will highlight those keyword, or you can say the word. So you can see this is one line, but after that comma is present and original URL is present. So which means this is not the end of the line. Same way you can see here, which is again continuing with due to error. So which means that ZU is not the end of that line. After that there are some particular words or characters are also present. So what dollar symbol will do, it will only search the line where that particular keyword is ending with. So let me terminate this and let me clear the terminal again. So now we have saw that how we can search a keyword where that particular line starts with or ends with. Suppose you want to search a line where the numbers are present. So in that case, we can use another thing, or you can see the pattern, which is grep, and I will mention the number pattern, which is 0 to 9. So any line which contain a number from 0 to 9 will print out from server.log file. So if I press enter, you can see these are the number of lines where the numbers are present. As we can understand, there are a lot of numbers present in the lines. So these patterns are also very helpful when we are working with grep to search a particular word in a file. So this is all about grep command. Now let me tell you two more commands, which is the extended version of grep. One is egrep and another one is fgrep. First, let's discuss what is egrep. So egrep stands for extended regular expression, where we are using the expressions to find out the keyword in the our files where we want to search that particular keyword. Egrep is basically the same if we are using grep with -e option. So suppose if you write egrep, or you are writing grep with -e option. So both will work similar way. Let me show you with the help of the example. So let me clear this terminal first. And now what I will do, first let me use egrep. So first I'm going to show you the use case of egrep. So what I'm going to do here, I will search multiple keywords, or you can say either one or that. So I will mention first is error, or second I will use debug. So let's suppose these are the two words which I want to search in my file. So file will be any file, so I will use star.log. So any file where the extension is ending with .log or the extension is log, I want to search either error or debug. So once I press enter, now you can see it has helped me to search the word. So if I go up, so there are multiple words, so multiple lines, sorry. So you can see debug is the word which is present in app.log file. And if I come down, so these are app.log file, then debug is another in server.log file is also present. Let me search for error as well. You can see error is also present in server.log file. So this is how we can use egrep to search multiple words inside a file. Now this same command, let me show you with the help of -e option. So what I need to do, I will use grep command this time, not the egrep, and I will add option which is -e. If I press enter, you can see it has also given me the same result. Error is present in server.log file and debug is also present in server.log file. If I go up, you can see debug is present in app.log file as well. Now let me tell you about fgrep. So in egrep or grep command, we saw that we can use regular expression. But with fgrep, that is not the case. We use fgrep to search a particular keyword with case insensitive we can understand. Which means if we want to search, and what fgrep will do, it will search very quickly because it will search for that particular keyword only. Let me show you. If I clear the terminal, and let's say I am using fgrep, and I want to search, suppose, error only in server.log file. So as you can see, it has searched for the lines where that error, that particular error with that pattern only it is present. We basically use fgrep when we want to search that exact string which is present inside a file or not, which makes our search very faster. And if the same command, if I use with -f option as well, it will work similar way. So if I use grep and with -f option, it will work in the same order. So this is how we can use fgrep. Now you might be wondering that where we can use fgrep. So suppose if we want to search a string with exact keyword, in that case we can use fgrep. Or if you want to search a special character as well, in that case as well, it is very helpful for us. So today we have learned that how we can search inside a file using grep, egrep and fgrep commands. These commands are absolute essential for a developer, whether you are debugging your application or issues, or reading a logs, or even you are exploring very large data set or code base. In that case, these commands are very helpful for you. In our next tutorial, we will learn that how we can count, sort and filter output using commands like wc, sort and unit. So that's it for today's video on Dev Portal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Dev Portal and share these videos with your fellow developers and friends. And I will see you in my next video.